Hey, brother. A little more, a little more. All right, so I recommend going parallel to this red container and getting on that little yellow wall, getting where the concrete is and securing it, because that little back connex, they have perfect line of sight on that road. So that's what I recommend. Bottom right. Good shot. Yeah. Yeah. I have one. It's impact though, it's not a flashbang. So it has to hit the person. Yeah, BBs. Better than nothing. Yeah, that's too far to throw it. Whoop. In the Connex? Yeah, in the fucking door. Here, I'll suppress. You're gonna go, gonna go. Oh. Reloading. Roger, but we got one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know.
So. Wanna go for it? 3, 2, 1. Good chance. Two. Hey, brother. Are they in the Connex? Hey, they in the Connex? If they're in the Connex, throw it in there. Are they in there? Oh. So very far down, at the little beige thing? Is he dead?
What?
Very?
You're shooting at us literally right now. That guy's still down. Listen, I got like 4 on this wall, they're all down.
Yep.
They got a medic over there, they're back up. Oh, you got me, you got me.
Hey. If you need a grenade, I have one.
You have to pick it. There's like 4 dudes in 4 different spots, so you gotta pick one.
Yep, I see. Yeah. Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Yep.
No, I wouldn't try it. I wouldn't try it. They are literally there. He's moved if you want to pop out. He's moved. Nope, he's back, he's back, he's back, he's back. He's moved. He's moved, he's not there yet. Yeah, I know. I can tell you when he pops out if you want to get ready to pop. He's not there, he's not there. No, it's good. Alright. I don't have a good answer for this. I don't know what to do. They got it held down to here and up top. About tags. Good shot. This is Chandler.
And I'm Craig.
And thank you for watching our airsoft video.